This is Karu Bridge, Abuja, where there was an incident yesterday where the fatal accident occurred. A gas cylinder from a truck exploded, leading to a disastrous fire incident. So many cars, more than 10 cars were burnt here. So many lives were lost. Yes, some of the burnt cars are moved away, but as you can see, some are still remaining here. People around are just coming to take a look at the incidents, a sightseeing to see what really happened yesterday. This was indeed a tragic event. As you can see, more than 10 cars were burnt, lives were lost also, properties were destroyed.